Now, there is one test that I haven't done because I want it to be a challenge instead. And this challenge is as follows. And this is a testing scenario that I haven't done. Let's select an existing household. And then let's add a new participant. Let's add golf. I don't remember the number. Okay, and then let's do next. And now I'm thinking I want to change the household. So I want to go back to the household. If I click previous now, it takes me back to add participants. It doesn't take me back to households. So maybe I'm gonna do another previous. It's taking me back to the participant, and now I'll go back to households. So it's not gonna take me back to households right away. It just took me back to the add participant. So what we need to do is that if we are on the select participant, when we click previous, not necessarily this previous, but when we want to go back, we click a button that takes us back to select household right away. And instead of taking us to the previous screen, if you go from select participant to new participants, and then you go back to select participant, the previous screen is this. We don't want it to go back to this. We need it to go back to select household right away.